Hey there, Erica Torres-Duziak here, and I wanted to talk to you for a minute. So if you're listening because you are just only interested in the breast department, this would not be the video to watch. But if you're interested in how my health has progressed, wanted to do a quick update video. So what in the chicken pho is this behind me? A lot of stuff, and actually I don't even have everything. I just kind of have the core pieces. So starting today, I am doing a gallbladder cleanse. Yay! I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but there were two big reasons why I decided to go with the explant surgery, the breast explant surgery. So one wasn't able to exercise because of my adrenals. That's my assumption. But just completely crashing after any kind of cardio for years and years and years. So wanting to get back to that. Second was all of the gut issues that I acquired over the past several years. So I will report that still haven't been able to do number one, which is the cardio and exercise, and I'm still working through the gut stuff. And it is January and I explanted in May, so it's been a while. But I've been working through a lot of stuff. So as of right now, I found that after I eat foods, I get nausea and just kind of some pain in the back area. And so it has been brought to my attention, there's probably some gallbladder stuff. Now, what probably made it worse was when I got to the keto diet, which was, I think I started that a little bit before May. Because anything that has high fat can definitely make the gallbladder stuff worse. So you can still do keto and have gallbladder issues, but you need to take stuff before you eat and all sorts of stuff. So I wanted to say something really quick on keto. This is like a video rant because I have lots of stuff to share. So in one of my videos, I talked about keto, and then I said I stopped doing keto. And what I want to report on that is I found this book by Leanne Vogel, and I don't know her personally, but I love the book. Actually, my sister got it for my brother for Christmas, and what I really loved about it is that there were like several different kinds of paths you can take to follow the keto. So it just talks about why a lot of people do keto and they feel worse and they have all these other symptoms. And that was kind of me. If I followed strict keto, I was experiencing a lot of adrenal issues. So I love this book. So if you're kind of keto or you're interested in keto or you tried keto and it wasn't really helpful for you or you didn't feel good, I really recommend it. It's called The Keto Diet. And she has a lot of information about how you can integrate carbs. So I don't really know if you're in ketosis in some of her plans, but I guess you're still fat adapting. So I love it. And what I love about keto is it keeps my mind off of carbohydrates and craving carbohydrates. So I can feel like I'm normal and focus on other things in life. So just wanted to share that really quickly. But guess what? This week, I will not be on any kind of keto-ish diet because do you see what we have here? There's a bag of apples and then there's this juice, Don't Judge Me. So I'm supposed to drink 144 ounces of apple juice over the course of the next 7 days. So it's supposed to be cold pressed, no sugar added, and I didn't feel like driving an hour to a juice store. So again, don't judge me. Clearly I'm judging myself because I'm telling you not to judge me. But it says ingredients, apple juice. So there's no extra anything. It's not from concentrate. I don't even know how this is possible. Nothing added, nothing artificial, 100% pure juice. So I'm going to go with it. So there's 3 of these I bought. Yay. So I'll be drinking that this week along with this 100% grapefruit juice and some yummy fiber. And then look at all these apples. So I haven't had apples in like over a year. They always would mess up my tummy. And one of the days I get to eat nothing but apples, just apples. So crazy, no meat for the next 7 days, which is blowing my mind because when you're on keto, well, unless you're someone who doesn't eat meat and you're on keto, meat and fat are your friends. So no meat for the whole 7 days, and one of the days no fat. I guess I'm gonna eat air. No, I'm just kidding. So then I get to take all these other supplements and hopefully clear out my gallbladder. I think I'm saying that right. So hopefully I have a flattened tummy and I don't have pain and lots of bloating. So I've been getting a lot of questions. I've been getting a lot of private questions about if I'm happy with my fat transfer. So again, I said this was a rant. I'm going in different directions. So I'll speak to that really quickly. What I want to say is yes. So I guess I don't want to say like TMI because I guess I've been sharing my business, right? So look, I'm wearing a bra and they're not huge, but, it is a push up padded kind of bra. But before my fat transfer surgery, I couldn't even fill one of those. So yes, I am happy. No, I've talked about lumps and bumps that I got on my arms and tummy from the lipo part. Still has not gotten any better. It is the exact same as it was from the beginning. I finished my lymphatic massages and no improvement. But what I will say is I'm just not fixated on that anymore. I don't look in the mirror and start looking for the flaws because that doesn't help any of us, right? So I just focus on what I love. And so this has been a great journey just in positive self-image and learning just to love my body for the way it is. And now, instead of comparing my breasts to how they were before I took out the implants, which is what I did in the very beginning, now I compare them to where they were when I took them out. And so they're much better. So I 100% am happy that I went through with the fat transfer surgery, and that's it. I'm focusing on other things and just trying to appreciate where I am today. And the most important would be to get healthier, because I want to say that I did this all for something. Right? So my white blood cell count went up on its own. So I know that removing the implants have definitely done good stuff, but I want to be able to see that translate into exercise and healthy gut. So those are the two things. So I'll keep you posted after this cleanse. I don't know. I'm hoping nothing but the best. So this will be an interesting 7 days. If you've done a gallbladder cleanse, please comment below. Let me know how that went for you. And I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know how it goes. All right. Hope you're having a fantastic day.